My name is Adesuwa Erhunmwunse. I am a PhD student of Soil and Water Sciences at the University of Florida. I'm located here at the North Florida Research and Education Center in Quincy. My research is focused on the interactive effects of bahiagrass and rhizomal peanut cultivars alongside with forage management practices such as grazing and environmental variables, and how they affect soil microbial community and their functions in forage system. The pasture system is an interaction of the physical components of it, like the type of soil, and the chemical that involves the nutrients and the biological aspects, which involves the microorganisms. Because these microorganisms are so tiny and we don't see them with our naked eyes, it tends to be overlooked. But they have beneficial aspects in pasture system. For example, the rhizomal peanut, which is a legume, have association with microorganisms that help to convert nitrogen in the air, which the plants cannot use. They convert it into the form which plants can use. And when they are grown together with bahiagrass, they supply nitrogen to these grasses, reducing the monetary cost of chemical fertilizer in a sustainable manner. When we take the samples from the field, we take them back to the lab to isolate the protein, which is DNA and RNA. So that way we're able to identify the type of microorganisms and their functions in the soil. Apart from the field and the lab work, I'm also going to carry out a greenhouse study to look at the type of nitrogen fixing bacteria in the cultivars. So that way we know the cultivar that fix most of the nitrogen and help supply more nitrogen to the pasture system. The findings from this research would help farmers to choose the best management practices that would improve forage productivity and reduce monetary costs.